Well, good morning, guys. Looks like we got a new revision right here. Looks like number 10. So you know what that means. See, these are the issues I'm always having with this car. All the damn time with this shit. Well, here's another issue I'm always having with this car. The battery actually died because the access port killed it. So obviously it's not gonna start. So now I gotta jump it by myself. That's awesome. Well, I got it started. Don't ask me how. And I didn't start it with another car either. Anyways, it's low on gas. Fucking again, I gotta go put gas in it and then upload the new revision and see how that goes. Just got gas. I'm gonna go park and then load up the new revision. That's really annoying. I hate that. Man, this fucking access port keeps turning off. Alright, I'm gonna load the new one. -10. There we go. Wait for that to load up. This car is weird because it just got gas. And it says I have no gas, but obviously it's like a body control module issue. Anyways, the new tune is loaded up. I'm gonna go try it out. Hell yeah, boys. New tune is on. I already did some pulls on the freeway. This thing is fucking quick. Just is. Like, there's a huge difference. Watch. Feels really good. Some knock, you know, need to be corrected, but I'm really happy with it now, but doesn't mean I still don't have fucking issues with this car. So this is just on 91. Now I need to get this stuff tuned for the 85. Oh damn, that was a big pothole. Sheesh. So yeah, also we still have the oil cooler to install as well. The tune is perfect. I still don't think it's done. I still think it needs some work, but anyways, here's the oil cooler. It's the FSWERKS intercooler. I mean, not intercooler, what the fuck? Oil cooler. It's a universal one, so I bought it used. Looks like it's already hooked up there and there. My only issue is getting it to fit in the front. I'm probably gonna have to take the bumper off because the intercooler is fucking huge that I have on there. I'm thinking about shaving that down because you see. So you can see this is all shaved. I'm thinking about shaving that down and maybe having it fit there if I can. And then, but the only thing that sucks is the oil can or canister filter, oil filter is over here. It's like under there. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. It's gonna take a long time. Still don't know if I'm gonna do it today. But if anyone has an ST, hybrid turbo, any turbo, and you want to get an oil cooler, you definitely should. So I hit up my boy Ricky. He's also an Esco's finest. He's gonna help me install the oil cooler. It's not that I need like help installing it. It's really easy, you know. But it's mounting it, maybe having to modify the bumper or something. I've seen a lot of people take it off, but I don't know. I want to. Fuck no! I paid so much for that. That's stupid. So I need to obviously find a good location for it, mounting, and then try to drain the oil, put new oil in, etc., etc. So yeah, once he hits me up, I'm gonna acquire all these things and get it done today. Alright, well, just got the castor oil and then the filter where you can fit 6 quarts in it. So I'm gonna head over to Ricky's right now and we're gonna put the oil cooler on. I don't know why, but recently it's been extremely windy. Anyway, so I'm going over to Ricky's house. Got everything I need right here. hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. It's really simple process. It's just mounting it in locations and stuff like that. And besides that, the car is feeling really fast for once. This is the first time I've actually felt something on this thing since I got the new motor in. We're gonna see what you got first. Damn. Fastest 335i in SoCal or what? Stockist. He's got a rattling issue. I have the same rattling issue in my car as well. When you're driving, I think it's because of the way my downpipe was adjusted. I'm not sure, but and did you smoke your taillights or did you buy it like that? Nah. Damn, that looks nice actually. He did that himself. Hell yeah. Matching. Sheesh. This guy got the fresh downpipes. Those look sick for this car. That's awesome. Very clean chrome. So there's the oil cooler. Here's everything else. So we got to figure out where it's going to be mounted on here. And then obviously figuring this out shouldn't be hard. Everything looks straightforward. I also did get new oil because you got to drain the oil when installing it, or else it's just going to leak out everywhere anyways, just to make it cleaner. And then I might have to shave that part of the grill off, or this side. I'm not sure. It's whichever side this right here is going to reach to get to it, so you never know. So we're going to drain the oil right now, and then we're going to figure out where to mount this little oil cooler. And one terrible thing that I did find is that from when I was doing my methanol, that right there was just out there, and that explains so many issues I've been having with my tuner. It's so stupid. That oil, yeah, black. Look at that clean ass oil pan. So we gotta drain it, and then we gotta take off the oil filter because there's gonna be a sandwich plate there. Let's see, where can we put it? So as you can see right here, this hole has just been opened from all this tape that I tried taping it, but there's another hole there that actually got threaded for the methanol nozzle. So this right here has been causing me so many fucking problems. Holy shit. But I'm gonna get it fixed now. So we got the sandwich plate on right here. All the oil's drained. He's tightening that up right now, and then we gotta obviously put the filter on, and then we have to mount the actual oil cooler itself. We're gonna have to figure that out. So after trying to figure out where we're gonna mount this oil cooler, came to a conclusion. It's gonna be right there. He's tightening that up right now, and then we obviously gotta put the oil in and then go test it. Alright, everything is done. We just gotta pour the oil in. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Clean as hell. At Ricky's garage. Ricky's finest. Well, we got an issue with the ST. Good and bad. The good thing is that throughout this whole tuning process, I've had a major boost leak. Basically added the oil cooler on today, found the boost leak, and fixed it. But now that being said, is I've been getting tuned on a boost leak, so all of this, you know, power and timing, everything has been added, and the whole time it's just been lost. So he kept increasing it, you know what I mean? So damn. So as you can see there, it says I hit 28, and that's not right. I should not be hitting that much. That is way too much fucking boost. I think the max is like 25 or something like that. But yeah, just another thing we got to get fixed here, and then literally after that, this car should be mint after it's fine-tuned. Well, I cannot drive this car. I mean, I can, but it's broken. oil cooler got added, and then we found the boost leak that I've been getting tuned on over here. This whole process, ever since I got the motor on, has been straight up just getting tuned on a boost leak. The car's been pushing like 29, 30 pounds on a hybrid turbo. That's not right. Getting lots of negative knock. Everything is so bad. So obviously I just need to get the tuning fixed on it. Kind of ruined my mood because I don't want to beat on it and literally just blow the fucking motor and push the rods and everything like that. So thanks for watching. See you guys later.